Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And yes, in my hands, I finally received the DJI wireless microphone system. Been a long time coming. It took a while for it to finally come out. Reviews have really been so positive, so look forward to using it myself. Over the past few years, if you notice this little microphone here on my chest, it's called the Mic. It's a great microphone, and I'll continue to use it. But there are going to be times when I'm going to want to use the DJI mic for my phone, for Zoom calls, having conversations with another person. So it's gonna be great. So this video, I'm just gonna focus on the open boxing. I'll be sure to put a link in the description as well as in the comment section below where you check it out. If this is your first time learning about it, I think you're gonna really be surprised as you start looking into it if it's gonna be for you, but the reviews have been extremely positive. All right, let's go ahead and do the open boxing. And it came out actually couple weeks earlier than I expected, which is great. And so again, really excited that it's here. All right, let's take a look at the system. DJI, obviously, if you know DJI, they are known for their drones, but nonetheless, they have made this awesome wireless microphone system. Just gonna take this off. There you go. And here we go. Time to get it out of the box. Oh, wow. Here we go. This is the charging system with the microphones all placed in there. Feels a little bit heavier than I thought it was going to be. So if you're going to carry this around, this does feel like it has a bit of weight to it, but nonetheless looks really pretty slick. It looks like it comes on, it connects right away, it shows the battery power, and you can see the devices are powered on. Let me go ahead and take one out. And wow, look at that small little microphone compared to the other one. It's slightly bigger than what I'm using, but it does have a clip, by the way, so you can easily clip it to your shirt and then use it. And again, you've got your charging port where you could put this in. It's got connection, so if you wanted to use like a lapel mic, which is very cool. But this is the charging station. You've got the charging port there, and then there's the receiver, which is really cool, which you connect to your phone, and that just goes right here, and then this just looks like it charges just like that. How cool the system is. And what's really awesome is where I'm really excited about this, and I have to learn to use it, you do get these two connectors. So as let me take out the receiver. So you have the two connectors. You have one for Type-C, and you also have one for the iPhone, which is great. And so if you are going to, then the way this would work, which is very cool how they've designed this, is you just slide this in, and what's so cool is, like, for my phone, I could just now connect it like this. And so I don't need a cable, and it's connected, and there you go. How awesome is that? So now it would notice it that there is a microphone. I have to, swipe down for external mic. So it recognizes it, and then there's a cool display, English on there. So very cool. And then again, for an iPhone, the same thing. So it's not going to really stick in there because it's a dummy phone, but you can see, there you go. Or actually I have a iPhone 7s. So there you go. So it's so nice. It makes the system very easy to work with. You don't have any extra wires. And again, then you just pop this straight out. All right, so I got it out. So I just have to remember which direction to put it in, but nonetheless, I'll get it there. And then you just lay it in the case like that. How cool is that? And then you've got it lights up there to let you know how much battery life it has remaining. And then you can see the charging port, which then charges and connects there in the docking station. And then you can close it. Now let's just take a look at the other accessories that it comes with. It comes with this pouch. All right. So you got this instruction booklet there, you got that, and then you have two windscreens, and let's go ahead and take that out. And so the windscreen would go over. Let's see how well that goes on. Yeah, that goes on really perfectly. So You've got the, if you might want to call it the wind muff, or you might call it the dead cat, whatever you, but you just turn it and it locks in place. So it makes it very easy to put on. Then it comes with also an additional cable. So if I'm going to use this with my camera, then I could use the 3.5 connector, and then you have your Type-C charging cable. So how cool is that? That's awesome. So if you have two people that you're having a conversation with, you can put one on each, and then you can obviously, if you need to get some more at some other point, somehow if these break, which they should look like they should hold up, but I guess it's just, there you go. It seems like it goes on real well, and I think that's really slick for being able to attach that to your shirt like that. And it does feel a little bit weighty, but nonetheless, it doesn't feel too bad. And I love how small they are. So they're nice and small. And then also the other way, which I forgot, is you also have a very strong, let's see, wow, this is really strong. You also can use, if you want, you can use the magnet instead of the clip, which is really cool. And this seems to be a really strong magnet, by the way. Wow, that's impressive. So there you go. It sticks really well. So I am excited, if you couldn't guess, and look forward to using it. But again, just wanted to do an open boxing to show it to you. So if you are looking for a microphone system, do check it out. I can't wait to learn how to use it and then start using it in my videos. So there you go. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll keep you posted. Appreciate you visiting with me today. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.